So this is the metal touch switch. So like this is the metal touch pin, like so if you touch it, this LED will blink, so it will send a signal on this data line. So the middle one, purple one, is your VCC, and this white is ground, and this is your digital pin. And using this potentiometer you can set like the how much touch is required. So this is the metal touch sensor. So anyway, like the using this in code school scratch is same, so we'll not look into that. So because we are using ESP32, it already has lot of capacitive touch sensitive pin, so we'll see a demo of this. So this is my code, like I have attached a touch pin event to pin 4, and when I touch this pin 1, it will just go to next costume, wait for 1 second, and like repeat this 10 times. So let's just see the demo. So when I touch this pin, like it gives the effect of like shame plant or like chewy me, and the leaves will like move.